Hello students, did you learn the one word questions? I hope you all learned that, right? Yeah, okay. So in this section we can see about the brief answers. So here we have 5 brief answers. So the first one is, what do you mean by the term hydrosphere? So if you see the videos means you can easily understand what is the term of hydrosphere. So what is meant by hydrosphere? The hydrosphere is the watery part of the earth. Earth is called the blue planet because it holds water in abundance. Then hydrosphere consists of water in various forms found on the earth. So what is the meaning of hydrosphere? The watery part of the earth is called the hydrosphere, and the hydrosphere is also called as the blue planet. Okay. Then the second question is, what is hydrological cycle? So what is meant by hydrological cycle? That is, the earth water is not static, it is always in the motion state. Okay, so the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the earth's surface is called the hydrological cycle. So, what is meant by hydrological cycle? The continuous movement of water on, that means on, above and below the earth's surface is called the hydrological cycle. For example, you can see the example like what is meant by the hydro, that means evaporation, condensation, and precipitations. We can say it is the water cycle, right? Yeah. Then mention the various relief features of ocean flow. So there we having 6 features. What are they? Continental shelf, continental slope, continental rise, then deep sea plain or abyssal plain, then oceanic deep and oceanic ridges. Okay, these are the various features of ocean flow. Then fourth question, what are the factors that generate the ocean currents? So what are the factors that generate ocean currents? The earth rotation, then winds, and the differences in temperature and salinity of ocean water is the reason for the ocean currents. Okay. Then the fifth question, write a brief note on sea waves. So sea waves are ripples on water causes when wind blows over the sea. So you all may see the sea waves, right? Did you visited any seas? Yeah, you all know that. So you all know the meaning of the sea waves also. That means the ripples on the water causes the wind. So while the wind blows over the water, it will cause some it cause some ripples. That is called as the sea waves. Of all the movement of the ocean, sea waves are considered the strongest. So the height of the waves depends on the speed of wind, its duration, and the direction. The waves that are caused by tremors on the ocean are called tsunamis. So, among the waves, sea waves are considered to be more strongest, and the most strongest waves we are called it as tsunami. Okay, guys. So this is about the short answers. So please learn all these questions. Okay. Then we can see the give reasons. We are having 2 give reasons. So the first question is, the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere are called land and water hemisphere respectively. Why it is called as northern hemisphere is called as land and the southern hemisphere is called as water hemisphere? The reason is, the northern hemisphere holds 61% of land, so it is called land hemisphere, and the southern hemisphere holds 81% of water. Okay, so it is called as water hemisphere. I think it was an easy question, right? Please learn this question. Then the second one is, what are the continental shelf provides good fishing ground. So what is the reason for continental shelf providing the good fishing ground? Because a shallow and gently sloping platforms enable sunlight to penetrate through the water. So this encourages abundant growth of grass, seaweeds, and plankton. So why? Because in the continental shelf, the sun can penetrate into the water. So it make because of the sunlight it may the grasses may grow, and of seaweeds and plant it makes all these grasses to grow up, so that this zone provides good fishing ground in the world. Okay, so okay students, today we learned 5 2 mark questions and 2 gave reasons. So please learn these questions. Okay guys, so I think later onwards we will conduct test also, so don't skip daily portions. Daily please learn the portions. Okay, okay guys, thank you.